Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As Diwali, the festival of lights, approaches, I thought it would be a great idea to create a colorful and festive painting to convey our warm Diwali wishes. The art style chosen for this particular painting is special as it has an essence of all the Indian traditional painting styles. So, grab your art supplies and let's dive into our painting for this Diwali season. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. In the end, you can use the color reference as shown. This will be your final result. You can use oil pastels or watercolors as your coloring medium to achieve the final output. This drawing tutorial is meant to understand design style and simple forms, improve figure drawing, get command on lines, improve your design skills. Do you know why Diwali is celebrated? To know why, stay tuned till the end for the answer. Today, we'll be painting two Indian females dressed in traditional Bharatanatyam saris, striking dynamic poses and holding diyas in their hands. In the background, we'll create a vibrant and festive atmosphere with a lantern and a bold Happy Diwali message. I'm starting by sketching our two Bharatanatyam dancers. They are dressed in traditional saris and holding beautiful diyas, which represent the victory of light over darkness that Diwali symbolizes. This painting is a beautiful mix of traditional Indian art styles like miniature painting and Madhubani painting. So, keeping the spirit of Diwali in mind, we will be drawing the human figures in a decorative form unlike the realistic form which we have been drawing in the previous tutorials. The eyes of our characters are drawn inspired from the Madhubani art style. The posing of the characters has to be strong as it helps convey the character's personality, emotions and actions effectively. The details on the sari has a beautiful and intricate Indian traditional style of fabric drawing. Now, for the centerpiece of our painting, the Happy Diwali message. We'll paint this message in a bold vintage-like font. It's essential to keep the colors and the style in line with the festive theme. Now, let's add a lantern in the background, an important part of Indian Diwali traditions, which signifies hope and positivity. With the sketch in place, let's add some colors to our painting. Diwali is all about vibrant and lively celebrations, so we'll use a rich and colorful palette to make this painting pop. Diwali is a festival full of life and vibrancy, and a painting should reflect that energy, which is how the layout is designed. Before we end this video, I want to remind you to celebrate Diwali in an eco-friendly manner. Let's protect our environment and the well-being of our loved ones by refraining from bursting crackers. There are so many other beautiful ways to celebrate these festivals of light. Happy Diwali everyone! Now for the answer. Why is Diwali observed? Diwali celebrates Rama's eventual defeat of the evil king Ravana and his spectacular triumph return to his home. To welcome him, everyone decorated their homes with rangoli and lights, which as a tradition is still continued. And there you have it. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.